Hi guys, today I have a Kenmore washer and electric dryer set, and right now we've got the washer set up. Pretty heavy towel load, it's a bunch of hand size hand towels, shop towels in there, and a few bath size bath towels in there, and they're getting soaked right now. We can control the water level on this one, so we actually get to set it to large. You got a couple different options here. You can do just plain hot water, just cold water. It actuates those valves independently, or it uses both on this setting here. We've set it to regular, so this would be kind of like a quick wash. Super is going to designate how long it stays in that wash cycle. So if you got really dirty clothes, you can go super. Otherwise, regular is going to be a little bit shorter on the wash cycle. But again, the water level is controlled by here. None of this makes a difference on the water level. It only contributes to how long and how vigorous the agitation is. So super delicate here. But filling up, we have that 2-part agitator. You know these are working correctly if it only spins clockwise in one direction and not back the other way. So these are my favorite style, the 2-part style there with the fins on the bottom. Then once that's all done, we're going to show off the electric dryer, but I'm going to show you that this here has strong agitation, drains water out like it's supposed to, and has a nice, fast, smooth final spin cycle. All things you'd check out as if you were standing here yourself checking it out. You get to make sure everything works perfect here in this video. That way you know when you get it home, plug it in, you'll be good to go. And then over here, we're going to show you that this runs great, no issues whatsoever, and heats correctly once we get the clothes moved over. So we'll let that fill all the way up with water and come back in just a sec. Alright, moved into the wash cycle now. Full water submersion. Probably even could have done the medium setting, but otherwise getting started agitating and vortexing those clothes down. See, it kind of switches up how fast it agitates there. Yeah, but doing an excellent job. Does not skimp on the water whatsoever. So what you have here is kind of a blend of the old style and the new style, where you have the 2-part agitator, full water submersion, but you'll see once we get over to the spin cycle that it has the new faster spin cycle. So it's going to max extract the water out of these clothes, which is great because when the clothes are super light and they go into your dryer, it cuts your drying time in half and saves you energy in that fashion. Cuts you by saving some energy on the drying side. So it's still considered an HE machine, but you still get full water submersion. So it's kind of the best of both worlds there. Alright, we got the water draining out. You're running nice and fast on that drain there. Next, it's going to fill back up, agitate for a bit in fresh water on the rinse cycle. Then it'll drain out once again and we'll be on to the final spin cycle. Now it says lid locked. The only reason I can open this up and show you guys what's going on is because I have an extra one of these. Just put it right there and it thinks the lid's closed and locked. That way I can show you what's going on here. Alright, we're moving into that final spin cycle right now. Hear the drain running. See from the outside. Nice smooth operation, sounds great. We open this up. Spinning super fast. Excellent job, max extracting the water out of those clothes. So I will let that finish up and then we'll move over to the dryer. Alright, now we've got the washer cleared out. It's good to go. Now we've got the dryer going. Time dry, high heat setting. And you can control those heat settings right there. You've got low, which is delicate. Medium, high. You also have a cycle signal switch, so you can turn that buzzing off at the end if you want. You got your lint trap right here, and make sure that's cleaned out before each and every load. Then I'm going to show you that it is in fact heating like it's supposed to. So it's about 83 degrees on top of the dryer, 73 on the concrete floor. So we'll go ahead and open this up. Shoot this right inside the heating element tube. So it's super hot in the heating element tube there. That hot air comes, mixes with the clothes, gets them nice and dry. Exits right there, which is where the lint trap catches any additional lint. And hit start to go there. You just push that button in. And that's it. These are good to go. We'll let that finish up. Go ahead and get these listed up for sale. If you have any questions at all, feel free to reach out. All the details are in the listing description. I do appreciate you taking the time to watch my video. Thanks. You guys have a great day.